Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of everything. I'm gonna just kind of be all over the place because I am just having a really tough day today, if I'm being honest. It's not what I expected, something yesterday, so kind of just rolling through the punches today. But let's go ahead and jump right in. So one, I'm mad at y'all for not telling me that my last video was a complete editing disaster. I rewatched my video and I didn't realize that I did not edit it correctly. So I actually deleted the last upload. I'm gonna upload it after this video and we'll just continue to go from there. I'm sorry, it was embarrassing. I rewatched it and I was like, what the heck? But so now if you guys see anything wrong on these videos, just comment down below because I didn't know that. Okay, so I thought I had a lot more to talk about, but I don't. So I'm gonna end this video with saying I am hosting an open house tomorrow. So my plan is to upload some content on YouTube tomorrow and also my social media. So if you don't follow me on Facebook and Instagram already, I encourage you to. And I plan on also, I haven't done my taxes. Anybody else out there haven't done their taxes because that is on my to-do list this weekend. But another thing that I plan on doing is uploading to my sub channel. I haven't uploaded, I created that thing in November of 2024. Still haven't uploaded a video, but that's what I'm gonna do this weekend. So look forward to it. And that's about it, guys. I don't really have much to go over, to say. It's a weird week for me. It was a weird, not so great day yesterday, so I'm kind of going through the motions today. Let's go ahead and end the video here. I'm sorry that it was very yappy and very random, but yes, just update on my clients, update on that new client or the clients that I've been working for over 2 years, and just how beneficial it is to really reach out no matter how far your goals are, and just having that trusted agent like myself that doesn't give up on you. And that's something that I really want to touch base on. There's many times where people, come across somebody who doesn't necessarily help them through the entire process because it isn't as quick as their timeline. But it's not about me, it's about you. So if you need help, regardless of how long we are on this journey together, I'm going to be there by your side. I'm going to stick with you through it. And 2, 3, 4 years passes by, we're going to get you into that home because that is your goal and that is my job, to lead you there. So it's never a bother ever if you reach out to me, no matter how far that goal is. Let's start now, because the day that you start now, each day that you take a step forward, you're that much closer to getting your goal rather than just doing nothing, right? And that's nothing that you haven't heard before. Take the first step. The first step is always the hardest and it's always the most uncomfortable, but it's the beginning to something amazing. So reach out to me. But other than that, I love you guys so much and I will see you on the next video. Hopefully I'm gonna upload this weekend to both channels and I will catch you on the next one. The next one will be a home tour. Bye guys.